Hello YouTubers, it's me, and today we're playing with Jeff. And I'll try my mom for really spicy because I'm eating hot Cheetos. Okay, so yeah, I just saw some news. I forgot to like do all the stuff, so I just got on. This I am going to do a giveaway. And you hear some background stuff. I don't know what it is. It's a movie my sister's watching. Okay. That's old. That's old. That's old. That's old. That's new. I don't know what the heck that is, so yeah. I think that's it. I don't know what you do with the feather thingy. So Jim has not checked. Okay, as I said, I was doing a giveaway. I'm gonna do a Freedom Wing giveaway. Okay, I will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 Freedom Wings giveaway. So be ready to enter. All you need to do is just gonna tell your username, your status, and that's it. Yeah, and I feel like I can't move. And no one's on. And yeah. Yeah. I would do what? Yeah. Happy New Year is already over, so be quiet. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's see what's on. Cool. Nothing. What is that? Is it a wristband? That's cool, but I didn't put it into gems. So there's that goes with this. I'll do mail time soon. I just scanned through this, so I was like, so that it doesn't bother me. Yeah, bye.